Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can get your dark mode on your Facebook in your iPhone. Well, it's quite easy. All you have to do is first of all open your Facebook, and from here you can simply tap on the menu bar that you can see in the top left corner right here. After doing that, here you can get the option of settings and privacy. Tap on it, and then here you can get the option of dark mode. Simply tap on it, and in here you can simply tap on option, or you can simply tap on the system option. So if you tap on the system option, and if your phone's system is also on the dark mode, your Facebook will also be on the dark mode. But if your phone's system is in the light mode, your Facebook will also be in light mode. So you can do that according to your choice. For now, I'm simply going to tap on just like this. And here you can see we have successfully gotten our dark mode. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.